Whoa, there is snow on the ground. Definitely wasn't there yesterday. Got all that wildlife out there. Little cows. Little cows. You see the little cows? Good morning. Look out for slush. It's all over the place. We didn't even get this much snow in Big Bear like you said earlier.
We didn't get any snow in Big Bear.
Oh my Lanta. Never thought you'd see snow on a Florida Hawaii car, would you? Actually, just because I never showed you guys the room. Here's the room we stayed in. How much was this? Almost like 200 bucks?
200 bucks for the night.
Which is kind of absurd, but you got the TV, 2 little beds, and I showed you guys semi this morning, but it looks like there's a pool for the summertime, not so much during the fall. And then it doesn't come with a Dolphins fan. Comes with the bathroom. And that's basically it. So $200 is basically one of the most expensive hotels that we've ever paid for personally, right? I think.
I think Universal we paid $210.
Yeah, so it's up in that area, but off to our next adventure, which is Albuquerque, New Mexico. Just gotta beat the snow on the roads. Always like my Red Bull frozen this time of year. Oh man, that's cold. When you don't deal with snow, it's what you do, I guess. We don't have any fancy tools. Oh, woo. And I think it's a thing, right? When it snows, you're supposed to like put your thing up overnight. But we didn't know it was gonna snow. Ooh, trade hands. You know what? Improvising. Maybe not. Look at Heather's face.
See, I'm trying.
Alright, just filled up on gas and we're headed to Albuquerque. Got my jersey on because it is game day Sunday. Got Miami to beat the Bengals. Highly unlikely because most of our starters are out, but on other news, here's the snow as it's melting away, and then apparently Heather just found out that there's gonna be a tropical storm that could turn into a hurricane by the time we reach Louisiana and Florida, so it could be hitting the panhandle. Fingers crossed. Time will tell if it's gonna turn into a hurricane or whatnot.
Oh, so pretty. This is gonna be a cool vlog to edit.
Snowy conditions, and yeah, it's gonna be a long drive. Looks pretty flat, not a desert, but just grassland, I guess. Have you ever seen a double-decker train? First time we've seen it. Co-pilot, Heather is now driving. Still New Mexico, about an hour and a half from Albuquerque, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap. Giving her the reins. Got some sleep. all this car ride. After a quick stop to get some sunglasses, we're off to go get our famous B-Dubs Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm kind of ashamed and embarrassed to wear this jersey. Miami gave up a 3-possession lead in the fourth quarter, and we unfortunately lost, so that's kind of embarrassing. But other news, Heather, Chargers won, but she's not repping any gear. She is repping Marines gear, but no Charger gear. And before we leave, I figured I'd show you guys our room here at Albuquerque. So this was only, I think Heather said $60-something a night. So a lot cheaper compared to the $200 a night the other day. And it's like way bigger. So you got your showers, bathroom, and then you have a bedroom in here as well, with its own little TV. So not bad at all, and a full closet full of storage. So once again, this is on Albuquerque Air Force Base, so if you guys aren't military, unfortunately can't stay here, but if you are military, highly suggest coming to one of these, save some money, more money in your pocket. But on to Texas. So what sucks is, and we didn't know this prior, but out here in Albuquerque they have the Hot Air Balloon Festival. So out in the distance you can see, like, not hundreds, but you can see probably like 50 hot air balloons out in the distance. If we would have known about that prior to this, maybe we could have gotten tickets, maybe, I don't know. But definitely looks like something that would be awesome to do if you're down here in New Mexico.